Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here from Advanced Health Chiropractic down the South Loop of Chicago. Our patient base is predominantly the corporate athlete, sit for a living, yet love to be active in the evenings on the weekend. If you go from a sedentary environment to a moving environment and you're not activating key core muscles, essentially create compensation over time injury. This is called the bird dog. It's an awesome exercise before you do any form of movement, cardio at a gym. This is how we get it done. So get down. We're going to start in a quadruped position. Wrists, elbows, shoulders, knees, hips, spine neutral. You're going to pull the navel towards the spine. First progression, arm out, back down. Second progression, leg out, back down. Third progression, opposite arm, opposite leg. Key to this exercise, keep your spine neutral, core engaged, no shifting to transfer weight. It's going to essentially engage what we call your posterior chain, the muscles in the back of the body that essentially keep us upright and control stability through movement. If you're a corporate athlete, you're a weekend warrior and you love to move, try this exercise before you work out. See you in the next video.